I know everyone's getting into the festival looks, and due to everything that's going on, there probably won't be any festivals this year, but I went ahead and recreated this look. You can see right here. By this makeup artist on Instagram. Let me see if I find it. Here she is. She's so cute. Get Jazz More Makeup. But yeah, I love the look, so I went ahead and recreated it. And can I tell you, girl, doing these lashes, making them purple was no joke. The hard part about recording on my camera is that I had just posted it, if anyone saw it, but I just put overhearing on my Instagram post instead of putting overheating. But I have the Sony camera and it always overheats on me and it's super annoying. We're using the Carnival XL palette. It's called Shuffle. I'm gonna just take it on this really big fluffy brush. I use all Morphe brushes. At first I wasn't too crazy about it because I feel like it's missing some colors, but once you really have to, I want to say swatch. It's very, very pigmented. I want to say you have to swatch a lot of the colors to really know what their undertones are. It's super pigmented. Like, that's just one brush swipe. I'm gonna take this color and just sweep it all over my lid up to my brow bone. And make sure that you extend it off in the corners so you don't have a blank area over here. You want to make sure that the eyeshadow follows all the way through. Haul, and also the shade above it, Basic. Taking this brush, I'm gonna go ahead, dip into both, turn it around, dip into both. So I'm gonna put it in my outer corner and a little above my crease. And the reason I mixed it was because I wanted like a perfect shade in between, because one of them's too light and then the other one's too dark. So I went ahead and mixed it. I'm just gonna jump back into Shuffle to blend that out because we don't want any harsh lines. And it's hard doing this with a flat brush. I usually always do it with like a flat rounded brush, which I feel like you guys have seen in some previous videos of mine. So with the roundness, at least it starts curving for me compared to this that I have to like mimic the curve. And I just try to get the basic of the shape at first, and then we can go back in and like really perfect it. So like you see, I know this one has to go way higher. If you don't use enough concealer, your cut crease just will not work. It just won't be it. I'm gonna take my finger and just blend. Not really a blend, but just take whatever excess product that I might have on my lid off, because if we leave it, then we're gonna have, our eyeshadow's gonna crack or crease, I say, you know, it's gonna do whatever it's gonna do. And I blend this outer corner here also, just so we don't have any harsh line. And now taking that big fluffy brush, no extra product on here, I'm gonna just go ahead and go over that concealer. And you see, no extra product, but it still has some product up there, so it's pretty. Okay, a little talk from the palette. It's a matte. And we're gonna apply that all over our lid. We're gonna go back into that corner. We're gonna blend that corner out. I'm gonna take this brush. I'm gonna go back in to Haul this time. With everyone I know, I keep. We're gonna take Haul and we're gonna add it to this outer corner. Going back in with our fluffy brush. Blending is key. You really have to have a lot of patience with blending. So pretty. Look at that. You see that? Wow. Yeah, so taking that concealer. So just so we actually get this really nice, we could get a really nice pigment. I'm gonna saturate it a little bit more. I'm gonna take the shade Wasted, which is this purple right here. And I'm gonna apply that right on that liner. Put my lashes on. I coated them purple already. Babe, oh my gosh, she just gave herself a nose ring. I'm just gonna pinch them to make sure. Oh my gosh. May God be with all of us that are home with their kids 24/7 now. I'm gonna take a small little pencil brush, this one, and I'm gonna take the shade Wasted again. Make it all pretty purple. I'm actually gonna go into the Huda Neon palette, and I'm gonna go over that purple all over my eye. I'm gonna go over it on my lashes. Add some glitter to that purple look. Highlighter shade. Put one right. Put another one right here. It's like right after pupil. By the way, this packet, I have a bunch of different colors, but again, they're at the salon. And there are a bunch of different color ones, and I got them from Amazon. Placing it right at this corner. Oops. So taking my milk primer. My fingers are tinted purple, but it's fine. Foundation, which is Sheer Glow by NARS. Spray it. Spray my face. And get the pudding. So this Sheer Glow is very, very, very light coverage. It really just gives you a tint to your skin, which I, for the most part, love because I don't like having too much of a full coverage. It tends to make my skin look very dry because I have dry skin. So this one still keeps like that beautiful glow. It makes you look really pretty and hydrated, and I am here for that. So I need a little bit more. Oh, and I forgot to do this eyebrow, but we'll do it in a second. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face again. I'm gonna go back in with my beauty blender. Just to make sure everything's blended. And we're gonna fluff up these brows. Push these hairs up. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty. So using the Fenty Beauty matchsticks, I'm just going to deepen myself. Cosmetics, we're going shopping blush. And applying it to our cheeks. And we're not gonna be scared of this blush. We're really gonna apply it. So the Give Me Sun Bronzer by MAC. And apply that highlighter, girl. Okay, let's spray ourselves. Grabbing this shade. And do not be scared of inner corner highlight. It's great. It only makes everything better.